think that you're gonna get away, I will be there to make sure that you're gonna say just what I want to hear. Yeah, I want it now.
Una porta aperta, che gli rimane aperta, e poi voglio sperare, e non ti mai lasciare. Ravello come stai, te si stancato e non, a gente tutto il mondo, vuoi sempre tornare a casa. Ravello come stai, la colpa è tutta tua, si no paradiso, e se ci fai suonare.
When Nina and I decided to spend some time in Ravello along the Amalfi Coast, I knew I'd be able to spend at least one day with my good friend Eddie Oliva, who's from the area. I'm supposed to hook up with Eddie, but he has a family function to attend to. He's assured me, though, it shouldn't take very long.
Grande Rocco! Ciao! Bene, molto bene, molto bene. Come.
Where are we going?
Cemetery.
Cemetery?
Yes.
You want me to meet you in a cemetery?
Yes.
I want a cemetery like
No,
this.
my parents are here. Come. Every year, we pay them a tribute. All my brothers and sisters and I, we are here, and we want to thank them for the inspiration, the love, and the music they gave us.
Yeah, but Eddie, look how I'm dressed.
It's okay, it's okay. You are family now.
That was nice, Eddie. Next year, I promise I'll learn the words.
Okay.
Let's go back to Villa Maria.
Thank you. I told you, Florence, yes, it's nice, but not like Ravello.
No, the Amalfi Coast, there's nothing like it.
Una cosa bellissima, l'ho detto.
You know those nice mozzarella balls? Yeah, like last year.
Quello sono fatte a battipagli, but the mozzarella of Ravello is unbelievable.
That's why I love coming to this area, because the food is so good. Then the food at Villa Maria. Wow.
Let's hope that professor is waiting for us with something special.
See. Any other songs you've come up with?
I got a wonderful one. Oh, bellissima.
Sì.
Sì,
Troppo belle.
La voglio fare sentire dopo.
Eddie, what a beautiful family you have. They're incredible.
I'm the last one of 11.
11.
7 brothers, 4 sisters. My mother was 50 years.
50.
My father 60 years old when he got me. No Viagra. I'm a miracle.
You are a miracle. Grazie.
Grazie.
To your mother, brave woman.
Salute.
11 brothers and sisters. Oh my, the best. Wait, professor.
Ciao, ciao David.
Ciao, Michele.
Già fa una sorpresa, già fa.
A surprise for me.
Sì.
Hey.
A te ti piace la mozzarella in carrozza?
I love mozzarella in
Già fai
carrozza.
in carrozza.
Va
tutto
bene. Let's see how these mozzarella in carrozza are.
Vieni.
Oh,
Allora, guarda.
hey, prof. You shouldn't have, but I'm glad you did.
Prova un po' che sappiatemi dire.
These are good.
Una bomba.
My version's a little different. Can I make it for you one day?
Come no?
I guess I have to be careful what I ask for in front of the professor. I can definitely make things happen. This recipe is mozzarella in carrozza, or loosely translated in English, mozzarella in a carriage, because the mozzarella is protected with 2 slices of bread. First thing is simple white toast bread. And throughout Italy, this is a common snack found in bars and restaurants. And I like to remove the crust. This makes the mozzarella in carrozza nice and soft. Next, one of the star ingredients of this recipe is fresh mozzarella. Now, the mozzarella found along the Amalfi Coast is a lot more moist and creamier than the mozzarella found back home in North America. But hey, if that's all you have, this recipe still works. Couple of eggs, and whisk it up with some milk. My version is a little different in that it has a slice of anchovy and there's that little bite of salt. Coat it very well, and that's all there is to it. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in a frying pan. I'm just going to cook it till it gets nice and golden brown on each side. And they're ready. A little bit of salt, just a touch, because the anchovy is already salty. Mozzarella in Carrozza, a classic Neapolitan snack. Ecco ragazzi, mozzarella in Carrozza. Yeah, don't worry, you won't kill yourself. Dai.
Stufissimo come è andata.
Davvero? Per essere un canadese.
Sono canadese.
Vabbè.
Aspetta.
Bravo. Ti ho detto. Allora, Eddie, Nina knows I'm spending the whole day with you, so what's next on the agenda?
I'm going to let you taste the real Neapolitan pizza at my family's restaurant, Il Pinguino. Ho conosciuto cinesi, americani e canadesi. Ho conosciuto inglesi, tedeschi e francesi. Oh, oh, hey. E la ragazza che vive alla porta qui accanto. Oh, ma ce n'è una soltanto che mi blocca la mente. Pinguino, pinguino! Mamma mia, dancing! Wow! Oh, yeah.
Una ragazza italiana che quando passa lascia la scia.
Oh, è la sola per me. Oh, è la sola per me.
Uè! Oh, ciao ragazzi. They're brothers, ok. Ragazzi, cos'è la vera pizza napoletana?
Napolitana è orecchie e pomodoro, semplice e bello. Una pizza semplice. Mozzarella, pomodoro e basilica. Origine e pomodoro.
Allora, qual è?
I
Just asked a simple question. Which is the true Neapolitan pizza? Because after all, it was invented in Naples. Paolo says it's the Napoletana, which is oregano, garlic, and tomato sauce. Salvatore says, no, it's la pizza margherita. Tomato sauce, mozzarella, and basilico. I didn't mean to cause a family rift.
Sento profumo a chilometro.
Oh ragazzi, allora fammi vedere queste pizze. They're gonna show me the pizza.
Faccio signora, sbagliato perché tu... sbagliato, ma quando fai un numero?
Ragazzi, erano, they were both great. Però I prefer la pizza margherita. The mozzarella.
You like mozzarella? I show you how to do the real mozzarella.
The real mozzarella.
Ferdinando, ragazzi, ci vediamo stasera. Ragazzi, stasera
We'll see you tonight for dinner. Andiamo.
Ma chiama mozzarella, pomodoro.
Eddie, you gotta check out this song. It's great.
I know what's so nice for you.
What are you gonna sing this time?
This is very nice.
Quando sei bella, quando sei bella, quando spunto sola mattina, quando sei cara, quando calore vai a dormire. Oh, la 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 la.
Here we are, David. Paradise of la mozzarella. Follow me.
Quando sola mattina, quando si cara, quando calore vai a dormire. Everybody say the dog is the man's best friend, but I think it's the cow. The cow, she gives us the milk and the mozzarella. What? Rocco, she loves me. Rocco, wait for me.
Buongiorno, Ferdinando.
Buongiorno.
Ti presento Rocco.
Ciao, David. So you're the mozzarella man.
La 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 la. Quando si bella, quando spollo sola mattina, quando si cara, quando quando calore vai a dormire.
Oh, so these are the mozzarella. They've been sitting for about an hour. They're so soft, moist, and I'm sure so creamy. Posso provare?
Sì, mangia, non preoccupare. Aspetti, un regalo della caseificia Santa Caterina.
Thank you. Sei troppo simpatico. With these mozzarella, Eddie, we'll go back to Villa Maria and we'll make un bel piatto. Nice recipe. Grazie. Grazie di nuovo. It's beautiful here.
You talk always about Florence. Here is la. This is la Dolce Vita.
I know it's a Dolce Vita here, but that's what we come once a year.
You should move here.
I'm going to move here from Florence.
Yes, you could.
Let's see. You know what? Maybe I'll give it some thought over lunch. Okay.
Okay.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Oh, Eddie.
Sì.
Why don't you go grab Nina for lunch?
What do you want me to grab her?
Probably the most famous salad in Italy is the insalata caprese, or the caprese salad. Named after the people of Capri, this is a perfect example of a recipe that uses its ingredients to do all the talking. So there's no need for heavy dressings. I've seen some restaurants back home put balsamic vinegar. No. Simple olive oil, basil, salt. That's it. Basta. Stop. Simple. Cut up your mozzarella in fairly thick slices and lay them into a plate. Some ripped up basil. And the best extra virgin olive oil you can find. A little bit of salt. Now put that aside. Now, no real Italian in their right mind would ever go on one of those silly carb-free diets. No, they think, well, I guess they fuori. So, saying that, this next recipe is called spaghetti alla caprese. Cut up your creamy mozzarella in little cubes. What's great about this spaghetti dish is that there's no need to cook the sauce. Put all your ingredients into a bowl and chop up your sweet, vine-ripened tomatoes. And here along the Amalfi Coast, tomatoes are unbelievable. They're like candy, they're so sweet. And some ripped up basil, just rip it up with your hands. A little bit of salt. Same thing like the caprese salad, except one difference. A little bit of oregano and the best extra virgin olive oil you can find. Giving it a good toss. And just cook your spaghetti. Always stir your pasta for the first, 20, 30 seconds so it doesn't attaccare. And when it's almost ready, try it. You should always use some of your boiling pasta water along with the rest of the ingredients, and this is going to be part of your sauce. And just toss in all your ingredients. And there you have it. Spaghetti alla Caprese, and for you carb-conscious guys out there, insalata Caprese. Yeah. The prof made this for us. Bravo, Villa Maria. The prof. You know what I can go for right now? I'd love some limoncello later on.
Beh, noi lo facciamo. Allora, vieni, faccio vedere.
Incredible, all these lemon orchards, prof.
Questi sono i limoni che noi usiamo per fare il limoncello così a Villa Maria. Guarda, no, per odorare meglio basta togliere un pochino.
It smells amazing. I can only imagine how good the limoncello is going to be.
Fantastico, faccio vedere.
Hey, when the professor is going to give you his secret recipe for limoncello, you got to pay attention. This recipe is limoncello di Villa Maria.
Ingredients: alcohol, limoni,
lemons, sugar,
e acqua.
and water. And we put in pure alcohol, 95% pure.
Perfetto.
Oh, mazza, è forte.
7 limoni per ogni litro di alcol.
So you've made this a science. 7 lemons per liter of alcohol. Whole lemon? No. Just the
soltanto la pelle, diciamo.
Just the lemon skin. And so with this, we just put it in a jar with the alcohol per quanto giorni? How many
Per
days?
12 giorni.
For about 12 days.
Dopo che hai messo tutto quanto, bisogna mettere una pellicola di...
Very important tip is to put plastic wrap over it. Why do we put plastic wrap over it? Because the alcohol will evaporate and then we're left with just a bunch of rinds. And that's not limoncello.
Questo abbiamo fatto 12 giorni fa.
Okay, so you knew I was coming.
Okay.
The prof made this about 12 days ago. Last phase of the limoncello process is to get your 12-day-old mixture and mix it in water. So boil some water first, add some sugar. And how much sugar and water?
450 grammi
Okay.
per ogni litro di acqua.
So about 450 grams of sugar per liter of water. And basically it's 1-to-1, so a liter of the alcohol, a liter of the water. Okay, so we have 3 liters of alcohol here that's been sitting for 12 days, and we can just mix it in with the 3 liters of cooled down water.
6 liters
Right.
of limoncello.
3 and 3, 6.
Bravo.
That's why they call you the
Tre,
professor.
sei pure pizza.
Furbo.
Io che facevo 5. Bravo.
Okay,
Allora,
okay,
piglia
I'll
che
give you a hand.
Ok.
Okay, so it starts off 95% pure alcohol. After 12 days, some of it evaporates. Mixed with water, then it becomes about 35% alcohol. So this is limoncello, but I know that you have suggestions. You don't want to drink it right away.
Meglio dopo 10 giorni è perfetto.
So let it rest for about 10 days. All the flavors really come together. And the best way of having limoncello is letting it chill in the freezer.
E più è freddo, meglio è, perché scende come acqua.
See. Let's make sure it's nice and chilled. Guarda. These
giusto,
guys
sì,
always come at the right
tempo.
time. Grazie. Eddie, I hope you were well behaved with Nina.
He was.
Okay.
Ok. Provalo poco. Questo è il limoncello che abbiamo fatto e che abbiamo messo in
limoncello,
freezer.
Villa Maria's famous limoncello.
Grazie. Veramente.
The best limoncello on the coast.
Viva Villa Maria!
Non ci pare, un professore.
Voglio che si capace un favore tantissimo.
Don't forget, guys, tonight at my family's restaurant Il Pinguino, the best pizza in town.
We'll be there.
We'll be there, una buffata di pizza.
Vai, 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 vai.
Ravello come sta? Te si sta cadendo. a gente tutto mo sempre torna a casa Ravello come stai a come tutta tua si no paradiso e se ci fai suonare
Allora un saluto per la famiglia Oliva. Vai! Ciao a tutti! Vai, 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 vai,
Bello come stai? Ravello come stai? Da si stanca di noi, a gente tutto buona, o sempre torna a casa. Ravello come stai? A come tutta noi, si no paravisa e si ci fai suonare.